my neighbors. So I've had to ask myself this question a lot of times. What would it cost me to achieve the things I want to, the things my heart really wants? What would it take me to go from where I am right now to where I wish to be, to change some things I don't want and to put in some things I like? And personally for me at this point, I found the answer to be content. But I just can't stop making content. This whole thing started way back when I was little. I had to create content in the form I knew, which was drawing. I followed in with my interests, creating content professionally from 2018 when I learned photography, but I really wanted to learn how to film. And then I taught myself how to film basically. So I got better at creating content by creating so much content for people. I worked on loads of music video projects, loads of random projects, fashion brands. Good. But one thing I have never really focused on is making personal brand content, like telling my stories. Content alone doesn't answer my questions. It's my approach to it, how I plan to do it basically. One thing I've always been doing wrong is been obsessing over every piece of content I create. So I carried that joy for a minute, I obsess about this video, shit, I made this dope ass video and all that. But now this is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to create a system where I can create as much videos as I can and as consistent in quality as I can make it. That means I have to create a system to achieve a quality and also create a system to replicate that over and over. Well, I've started. Obviously, I want to add some life to it next, and I start to make this video this morning. This is probably gonna be a morning series. Oh no, it's not so cold this morning, man. Let's go get ready. I guess I just catch you guys later.